60.
Today, I will guide people to play Future on Binance, top electronic floor in the world. I will guide everyone how to do so that to play Future without burning account. Let's get started. The first millet. If you want to trade the future so that people will get into this future next to the transaction, if people are at the interface, I don't see the word filter. This means that everyone is in the Binance interface. If you like it, you will see this page. If someone didn't see it, now go to this page on this part of the Biden logo. After that, people will choose here. This is the Biden light. There it is, but if you don't see it, it'll have a discovery section next to this transaction. Here's the interface. It's incomplete. So let's all choose this logo. After that, everyone will choose the Binance Pro. This Binance Pro. That's the interface. That's the interface. It'll be full. And everybody's going into this future. Next step. If you want to trade the future, you have to. There's money in this future wallet. I have 18 cents and I don't have any money. Then I have to go through the spot wallet or through the putting transfer money from the spot wallet and putting wallet to the future wallet. People will go into their wallets. How to top up your wallet. How to top up your wallet. I already have a video tutorial in front of me. If you don't know, you can watch the video here in this wallet. Then I'll go to the video right away. I'll transfer money. I'll transfer USD. How much will I have? In 7, I will move 50. I'm going to transfer $50 through this video right here. If this is true, I will transfer this money. Transfer. Here, I will choose this USD from the raw wallet right to the wallet. Future. For example, I chose the raw wallet right to the future wallet. And I'm going to transfer about $50. Everyone. Transfer confirmation box. Then mill it. And then you all go into this future wallet. My balance is already $50.17. Now I'm going to start guiding people. First to play future. Then everyone knows, right? Buy long sell shot. Long buy means that people buy. For example, buy a PTC. That PTC it up. It is everyone's order. Long order, everyone will be eaten. Sold means BTC has to go down. Then everyone gets to eat. It is a long buy and sold. First to play future, I will guide everyone step by step. For example, this command here is going to crush this part. This crush is this crush. It'll have a 2-command mode. Crush command and isolated command. I will analyze for everyone. What is the crush command? The isolated command is raw sow. The crush command is all crush positions that Jin uses with the same margin asset. We will share the property. Crush again during liquidation. Your quarter asset balance, together with all open positions, will be confiscated. Means sow means when you buy for or sell off an order is. You give this crush command. Then it will take. All the money is in the wallet. Just remember, it's in Future's wallet. It's not taking money from the entire property. Well, your Biden's out of pocket right now. It's either a putting wallet or a thank you wallet. It's called sending money for interest. For example, this crush command, everyone in the wallet. Your future has $50. People are typing a $10 order. But what if your order loses? Then it will take. That's all the money in this future wallet. Gong command, that's the crush command. Why do so many people burn their accounts? For example, type the crush command. Below is the isolated command. What is isolated command? Is the MCGIN of the limited position to a certain amount of time. If it drops below the maintenance level of McGinn, the position will be liquidated. However, this mode allows you to add or size McGinn as you like. It means sell. This is an isolated command. For example, you enter an order to buy long BTC. For example, if you hit $10, that order, for example, BTC, that's the order. You only lose in the $10 range. It doesn't take more. The money is in your future wallet. Raw, let it do its bidding. You only lose in the amount you ordered. That's the order. If everyone plays at first, everyone should give the order. Isolated this. People will choose this isolated. Here it can't be adjusted. To where isolated McGinn is in multi-asset mode. People will go to this part. Into this M next to the 20. There's this X in this M. So this is the mode. This is what people are doing. Multi-asset mode. Then people will switch to the mode. Single property. Then everyone will be able to choose the ISO United command. People click on the checkbox, and this is the S. Then start moving people. People switch to Isitor mode. What is the point of telling this truth again? People want to buy long. Let's say the price is 90 for 1,200. People buy long $10. For example, PTC is down. If you fire an order, it only burns 10 pairs. If you have a crush order now, buy this long buy long is at the price of 9 for 1,200, for example. People buy long. If BTC drops, it will take all the money. Use it in this wallet so that it holds this command. That's the Isited command and the crush command. Next up is the part. This X is 20x plus 10x or 100 to 5x. If someone has just opened an account, then maybe people's accounts won't be able to type 100 to 5x. 100 to 5x is 100 to 5 times. Practice if you're new. Maybe you haven't played this command yet. I have an account that I opened a long time ago, but I encourage people not to. You should play these big commands. You shouldn't. You should only play the command at the level. 10x or 20x or to 5x is the same thing. The less, the more people take risks. But I analyzed for everyone 10x, 12x. What is 15x? Here are 10 examples of me here. I let this 10x, I confirm this. Sao is 10x means. When people, for example, type a long order, it's $10. That's right, when people hit 10x's. But the PTC is up 10%. That's 10% times 10x 10. Is it 100%? 100% means that now orders to $10. Then everybody's going to get another $10 for $20. And if it goes down to 10%, then X is 10 times. That means it's down 100%. That means everyone's burning a $10 order. That's X times 10. That's X. 20x is the same thing. 20x, for example, 20x to X. If it is from 20x, it is the same as this means that if BTC increases or decreases by 10%, would be 200% increase or 200% 2010 decrease. Is the same as 10x. It means now people type in a $10 buy order. If BTC drops by 10%, people will lose 200% of their wealth. 200% means, for example, $10. Everyone will be negative $10. Negative cost $10 and negative 7 if cost $10. If it's people hitting at the command group, it's going to take $10 here. And if people were to type this Isitor, it's down to 5%. You're on fire. That's the command. That's 10x, 20x. The higher the x, the higher the percentage on it, the higher it is. For example, x50. If BTC drops by 10%, it will be 500%, right? For example, the type of BTC, it's down. This X20 only example, 1%. That BTC, if so, it's down. Is it a 20% reduction in zero assets? Right. The same is true if people buy long. That's the X10. But when PTC goes up 10%, everyone gets X100%. That's the order. X100% command double is, for example, if everyone orders $10, everybody's going to get $10. Everyone has to be 100%. That's not 100 times. 100%, it's just a double X 100%. Let's say if it's 100% up, it's going to be $10 for many everyone. People can't. Don't get me wrong, it's 100% real. X accounts up 10 or X 100 times. But that's 100%. Let's say people hit 100% of the $10. Then does everyone get to $10? That's a 10x 20x command. ORS with them like this. Then everyone multi-asset mode and single asset mode. If you leave this single property regime, you can choose what you want. If there is to mode, most properties will not be insolent. Next up is the limit order. And here this is the limit. You only care about limit orders and market orders. It's stoply. Stop limit loss stop things market. People don't care about very much. And then people look at it. For example, what is this limited command? The limit is that now everyone will be here. For example, This is the price of BTC at 4,160. Everybody wants to put an order. People after the analysis. People want to buy a long order or an oversold order. This limit order will be given to everyone. You can fix this price so people can buy it. For example, this is 9,000. People want to buy now. For example, this is 90 for 1,170. But people might want to put it a little bit lower. If people buy long, people will put it a little lower. So when it comes down a little bit, it matches the order. The risk ratio is better. Or it's sold out. If you sell it, people will place this lipid order. People will put it higher. Up a little. Like this is ripening for 1,090. For example, let's put up 90 for 1,100. For example, in a moment, it's worse, it will match the order. It's less risky, it's a limit order. What is market order? Market order means the market price order. No matter how much, it will match at the current price. It will match the current price. Dancing like this. This is the market price. This is a limit order or a market order. Keep coming down here. Keep going down this line. That's the amount. This is BTC. Then everyone can buy BTC or buy USDT. Come here. People will choose to come here. People will choose here. People will choose USDT. Then everyone will. You can choose the amount. This is USDT. Here's an example. I always put a command for everyone to see. Let us always place a market order. Now, for example, I've come to this analysis. If people want to analyze at this command, you can go down to this section. Everybody's looking at that candle. Look at that candle chart. Everybody out here has this arrow that people click up. So this is going to be a candlestick chart. It's about the team for everyone to see. I will have videos that I will guide everyone how to do technical analysis and how to do fundamental analysis. I will make a video. Guide everyone. There are a couple of them I will guide here. For example, if this is a candle holder, it will have this 1 minute chart. This 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. And you can choose more. It's going to be in the selection section of this arrow. It'll be for o'clock, 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock. 12 hours of lessons a school day a week. That's 3 days a week for a month. It is up to everyone to hit her. In the future, people will only be up for 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Let's show you the chart. It looks like it's rising, it's falling. From now on, I will always carry out a command to show everyone. Let me analyze for everyone to review. Now people are leaving this USDT. Then everybody here is everybody available for 50 bucks. People have that's $941 max. It means that this order can be set. The maximum is $941. That's it. It'll cost $48.14. Means that Sal means he'll take this 50. That's $50 available. The command you want to hit 20x command. Then it will x 20 times the account. So since it's a 7 leverage trade, this should be your available balance of that $50. You're going to do 7x 20. Then it will be multiply by 20 times your account is up to $50. Multiply by 20 and it falls in. That's almost $1,000 minus a fee. That's $941. It's the same. Then X10 will go down. For example, now you guys have a hypothetical balance X10, of $50. It's going to go up $500, but you'll be hit with more than $470. Do you understand that? Now I'm going to hit this, but I hit beat as a percentage. I'm going to hit by percentage. For example, I'm going to hit by in this wallet or 50%. Hey, let's practice for everyone, so I'll just type this command. Maximum always. Up to $50 for everyone to see. This market price. Always buy millet. That's the market price. When people buy it, it will match. Here it will fit. It'll match the order. Here it will fit. It's always there. What is the size of 469? $47.50 is the same as $47.50 that you give orders. 93.950. This is the entry price, which means when the price buy at market prices. That's it. That's the price. That's what the current price is. This price is constantly jumping. It's this the current price. Current PTC price. And the liquidation price means SAO. For example, I'm buying a long one, right? When it goes down, When PTC drops to this number of 80,878, my order is to burn. This X10 Isitor command will burn. That's what people call a milkshake. Here it is. Here's the
Start
ROI.
the sound.
The ROI is negative 57% here. My starting dollar is negative 0.10. This is a long order. And here will be the 7. Now that everyone has placed
People
an
can
order,
still
adjust to 7 means 10x or 20x. Here's a 7. Everybody on this
can
tuner. Increase and decrease. That increases and decreases the 7. That's the first line. And then this is what? Target and the stop load. Here stop load. People click this. Here now. For example, this one command now
There
people
is
don't
no
have
time
for many people. That's what people want. Give it one. Let's give people an example. It's down so much, it's down to 5%. For example, I hit the price. This will automatically close the order. Here's an example. People will set a price for this activation. This is the price. The marked price of the order is 93.950. And the tip price is now, the current price is 93.884. Then now people will set an activation price for it. Now I'm going to give it a price to activate. 93,990 for 1,000, go 90 for 1,200 more. That's 90 for 1,200. Complete the inventory. So this is going to be here, but if I put this price, then we will profit. When it comes to matching this price, it closes itself. I will be able to speak in this. In this order, a long is $1.4. This is this target. People, this target is priced. This is the market price, according to the market price. And if people want to install it, let people avoid risk. Sometimes people don't care. To avoid that risk, people will come here. People choose at its price this limit. For example, it started people choose a price to activate. For example, people are now coming in. Entry price. The entry price is 93.950. That people just let it down. For example, people base it down to, say, for example, 93,000. 93,000 people open the confirmation button. When it gets down to 93,000, this order automatically close. With that order, you're going to lose about $4.75. The order you gave me was $50, right? Here are the stop load and target commands. Do you understand? And now, oh, I didn't give this order. I have a crush so I can command. I'm negative 81 cents right now. Then 0792. I close this order. Here's the third part. Is to close this closing order means closed. I think I see the market naturally. It goes against his will. Maybe I'll close it. Or I find too much noise, I'll close. When everyone's command win is winning. For example, to the point where people, when you open your mouth, people will stop here. For example, let's practice closing this. This confirmation always closes at the market price. That is a long order. And now, I'm going to run a shot command for everyone. For example, I am also selling the shot. I also ordered this boxing. For this 93,800, sell this shot. Buy a shot at the price. If the market price is the same, it will be the same. Oh my gosh, BTC is down. It's 0.94%. I'm paying this 40%. It's going to go up and down. That's 0.96. Here, the entry price is $93,809. Current rating marked 93.706 is battery. It is falling below the price of your order. Then raw will be in the ocean. That's when the PC goes up. If the price is 98.060, I will fire this order. Burn this $50 order. And in this Exciter X20 position. Here, I close the order now. Mill it. That's what it is. All the steps. You can trade futures on Binance. If you are new, I advise you. First, people just type the isolated command and leave the X small. It's a small 7-stroke adjustment, for example, about 5x. That's right. 10x. Don't be greedy. You can't enter this market. That means it's easy to burn your account. It's when everyone is new. Then, it's best to type the Isitor command and the small x command, so that people can get to know Tay. And people will be able to get used to technical analysis. Then people start. Until then, let's get into the big money. And can go to the crush command and can go to the larger X. Too raw. But I still advise everyone to have it. That trade fluently. Then everyone's only up to X to 5 is the same. The market thinks it's beautiful. So everyone goes to X30. It can't be. The higher the X, the more flammable. Because this floor with its crew. Just one stick and everyone goes. So it's best to just hit X15, X20. It's like playing carrot. Let it hold. I taught X small. X is 15 or X20 or X10 or X15 or X20. I wish everyone successful trading. And don't forget to click on subscribe to the channel. Watch the latest videos.